I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. You know, किसी के बाप की industry नहीं है.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have. You know, and that means a lot.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.